What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to WAXP Coin. WAXP Coin, what's going on in the WAX coin? Let me show you guys absolutely really massive changes over in the WAX, and especially the latest situation is very good positive, but unfortunately the latest situation is going wrong. Just look here, the last 1 hour, I'm talking about the live last 60-minute update of the WAX is going negative 5.98%. the price decrease in the last 1 hour, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. Guys, it is a profitable coin in the market. The first talk about the interesting fact about WAX is that you can see here the price of WAX is very low, 0.38581 USD dollar. That is really a low price of WAX, so everybody can easily invest in WAX. And if you buy WAX for a long time, so I hope just if you hold WAX for 1 year, for 2 years, so that will make you millionaire. Guys, just buy now WAX, in especially short-term investor also it is a profitable coin in the market. You can see here last 1 day, oh my god, the 1 day changes is 100% positive in the market. WAX is really a good profitable coin in the market. You can see that is called a pump, guys. That is called a pump. Just hold for a long time. Anyways guys, what you think about WAX, also share in the comment box. And guys, please I request all of you to subscribe my channel. I will guide you how to make money with the crypto. And if you have any questions about WAX, so please tell them in the comment box about WAX question. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.